Hey guys, today I will be unboxing the X-Dragon USB 2.0 digital multimeter power meter tester with current and voltage monitor. It tests your speed charger cables, your capacity of your power banks, so if you want to monitor any of your devices, like say your cell phones or anything that uses USB, this is a great multimeter for that. And its range is from 3.2 volts to around 15 volts, so it goes pretty high, and it does that with a real-time display. Okay, now let's unbox this and see what it looks like. Here, be free. Oops, got a little too carried away there. Oh man, this big box for this little thing. Wow, look how small it is. Spin it out. Here it is in all its glory. Output 1, output 2. There's a little USB cable here. Let's plug this bad boy in. Let's see if it works. Oh no, it's so small, I'm scared. Let's see what happens. Power cable right here. Let's see what happens if it blows up. Guys, send help for me. Oh, it's working. Now this is a power charger for my cell phone that is hooked up to right now. There you go. And you can see it's a little bit over 5 volts. And my phone needs 5 volts out of this charger it's connected to charge my phone. And it's reading that it's 5.9 to 5.10, so it's right on the money of how much output this charger outputs to the phone. So as you guys can see, it's measuring it in real time right now, and it's accurate. So if you want a little power monitor to make sure your voltage is right on any of your USB devices, I recommend this X-Dragon. Okay, I hope this helps you guys, and as always, I thank you guys for watching my videos. Bye bye.